Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your MSI Cyborg 15 without the Microsoft account. If you want to set up your MSI Cyborg 15 without the Microsoft account, you shouldn't connect to Wi-Fi. And if you already have, then walk away from the router or turn the router off so that you lose the connection just for a moment. Now, once we have that done, click on Shift and F10 key on your keyboard until this black window pops up. Click on the top bar and of this black window to focus on it and type in OOBE / bypass and row. Click on enter. Your laptop will restart. It will not take too long, just wait a moment, and shortly we'll begin by setting up the laptop like normal. What I mean by that is selecting the region, the input method, and then there will be a new button that has just appeared after the restart, which is I don't have internet, and that lets you if you click on it, then you can create the local account instead of logging into Microsoft account, which is great. We'll see all that. Okay, so select the country or region, click on yes, then keyboard layout or input method, yes. I'm gonna skip the second keyboard layout and click on I don't have internet. From now on, you can go back to the router, or stay where you are. It doesn't really matter. If you're walking away from the router, from now on you won't get automatically connected, so no need to worry about that. Enter the account name that you want to create, then also enter the password. I'm gonna skip that, but I highly recommend doing so. Also there will be 3 security questions that you need to answer truthfully, so don't forget the answers to them, because if you forget the password, you'll be asked these security questions. So if you answer to them truthfully at the setup, you just won't forget the answers, right? Now, I highly recommend reviewing these privacy settings yourself, actually, and reading them on your own. And now let's wait a moment until the account gets set up. And all of that is done, so I hope the video was helpful. Now you can connect to the Wi-Fi if you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.